Shut up very much. Yeah, I ain't telling you guys his name yet.
Good production. You nah go hold me down. No, I'd rather be alone. Can't go hold me down. You can't tell me what you do, where you go, how you dress. Me no papi show. Me a the star, so me a no fan of you. Do me wanna follow you. Me nah itch up under no man arm like.
Another YouTube video, you know, take a 5-minute turn right here. And before you get into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the post notification bell. As I see down in the title and the description, when you see what me are coming, yes, you guys will be seeing my boyfriend tag. So yeah, so guys, me and him are dating for about 3 years now. Yeah, for about 3 years now. We love each other very much. Yeah, I ain't telling you guys his name yet. That's for me to know and you to find out. But before, go over lifestyle of celebrities, subscribe. Go over TONIANN, subscribe. I know it's been a while since I see TONIANN post. Sorry about that. This is not the way. Sorry about that. So, as me I say, it's boyfriend tag. So, guys, please be patient. You guys will see him. Him shy. Keep over there, some no higher over here, so brother. Guys, him shy. So, me have to beg for him come in front of the camera. My ear feel curly right there, so. Yeah, guys, me have to beg for him come over the camera, guys. So, yeah, as me say, me and him are dating for about 3 years now. Our parents know each other, and me and parents know me. My family know me and everything. I tell you the name, but I not tell you the name. Yeah. So, guys, please show him some love over my channel. I'm not going to change the name to TONIANN and his name, or TONIANN this and TONIANN that. But I know so I'm not going to too young for the boyfriend tag. But you guys know I'm doing a boyfriend tag. Yes, I want to see all them real supporters them. But I love for you treat him like family, like how you treat me. That's my supporters, not my haters. Please show him some love. Y'all ready to see him? Don't still. I'm something like off the camera for make him come. Okay, guys. But just stop at the camera, guys. He might come, guys. Stop be shy. On Facebook, that stop be shy, na B. B just come on, though. I'm not gonna bash her. B, come now. Alright, now come. So, guys, he's my boyfriend. Where the guys? Where the guys? Guys, when you really think to me that do a boyfriend tag so early? Say hi, B. Guys, we're out.
With a little bang thing, I saw than a hot tool. Me, I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls, them pretty with the contour. Man, I say you first class, say you know I got you.